This week we will explore chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. In chapter 1, you will describe what management is. You'll be able to explain the 4 functions of management. You'll be able to describe the different kinds of managers. You'll explain the major roles and sub-roles that managers perform in their jobs, and you'll explain what companies look for in managers. Chapter 2 discovers the history of management by explaining the origins of management, the history of scientific management, the history of bureaucratic and administrative management, the history of human relations in management, and it discusses the history of operations, information systems, and contingency management. In Chapter 3, we will explore organizational environments and cultures. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to discuss how changing environments affect organizations. You'll be able to describe the 4 components of the general environment, explain the 5 components of the specific environment, describe the process that companies use to make sense of their changing environments, and you'll be able to explain how organizational cultures are created and how they can help companies be successful. Chapter 4 covers ethics and social responsibility. At the end of this chapter, you'll be able to identify common kinds of workplace deviance, describe the U.S. Sentencing Commission guidelines for organizations, and explain how they both encourage ethical behavior and punish unethical behavior by businesses. You'll also be able to describe what influences ethical decision making, and you'll be able to explain what practical steps managers can take to improve ethical decision making. This week, you have several tasks to complete. First, you will introduce yourself in the discussion board. Second, you will complete the Cengage Brain chapters 1 through 4. These are the interactive learning chapters. Remember that in your Welcome Start Here tab that there are instructions as to how to use and navigate and initially log in. So make sure you've read those instructions that we reviewed in the Welcome Start Here section. And then there are 4 self-assessments that you will complete. And once you have completed those, you will draft a 1-page paper, which is down here. You'll submit it here. There is a rubric that you can reference that explains what I'm looking for. And there's 2 videos that you need to watch. So this is what we'll be doing this week.